Hey guys, I'm Daniel of Pinoy Techno Guide, and I have high expectations for the Huawei Y6 2018 smartphone since it has a full view display for less than 6,000 pesos. It's good to know that Huawei doesn't just offer good flagship and mid-range smartphones but also those that are within reach for the budget conscious. Let's go ahead and unbox this smartphone. The Huawei Y6 2018 comes in a simple white cardboard box with a colorful Y6 logo up front. Inside there's the phone itself, SIM ejector tool, a micro USB cord, and a regular 5V 1A charger. The final retail units will also include a pre-installed screen protector, free earphones, and the usual quick start guide. Looking at the Huawei Y6 2018 for the first time reminds me of the very popular Huawei Nova 2i because it has a similar matte finish. However, this one is just made up of polycarbonate plastic material instead of metal. The glossy frame around the device adds a little bit of character, while the arrangement of the rear camera and its LED flash gives the illusion of having dual cameras. Switching to the front, the phone's screen is tall thanks to an 18:9 aspect ratio. However, its HD Plus resolution can feel a bit of a downgrade if you're coming from a more expensive smartphone. Nevertheless, it's a responsive touchscreen panel with decent color saturation even when viewed at an angle. Its initial performance is acceptable. Installing apps went with no problem, while scrolling down websites is around 90% smooth when there are pictures and videos. I'm excited to test the Huawei Y6 2018, and some Pinoy Techno Guide readers have already suggested several games to use when I posted the question on our official Facebook page. Meanwhile, here are a couple of sample pictures captured by the device. Don't forget to follow Pinoy Techno Guide so you'll be notified when the gaming tests and full review are up.